So hi, welcome or welcome back to my clinic. Please can you tell me your good name? What's your surname? What's your phone number? What's your address? Any other contact details? And do you take any medication? Do you have any allergies? Okay, just take your seat. We'll start with your cranial nerve exam in just few seconds, okay? Okay, so the first exam is the eye exam. I'm just gonna ask you a few colors and you have to tell me the name of that few colors, okay? So yeah, this is the first color. Which is this color? Yellow. Perfect. Which is this color? Orange. Perfect. Which is this color? Blue. Perfect. And then which is this color? Red. Yeah, correct. Okay, so here I have a chart and you have to read that chart, okay? So tell me which alphabet is this? Which alphabet is this? Which alphabet? Alright, then which fruit? Which fruit? Which shape? What shape? How many are there? How many flowers? Name of the shape. How many are there? Okay, perfect. Okay, so now I'm just gonna inject you an injection. Alright, so here we go. Just gonna move that. Alright, now I'm just gonna do the arm. Okay, now if you don't like the light triggers, just skip this part, okay? Okay, so just follow the light. Alright, just gonna, the bright light is gonna come. The bright light is gonna come in. Okay, so here we go. Follow the light. 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 Okay, good. Okay, so here I have two sketch pens. Alright, this is sketch pen number 1 and this is sketch pen number 2. You have to follow whichever you want, okay? So here it goes. Perfect. Okay, so let's move forward with the next exam, which is smell test. I'm gonna make you sniff something and you have to tell me what that smells like, okay? So yeah, this is the first one. Just tell me what this smells like. One more time. Rose water. Perfect. Now tell me what this smells like. Water. That's perfect. Now tell me what this smells like. Smell what this smells like. Vanilla. Perfect. And then tell me what this smells like? What that smells like? Lavender. Perfect. Now tell me what this smells like. Lipstick. Perfect. Okay, so let's move forward with the next test, which is a sense of taste. I'm gonna make you taste something and you have to tell me what that tastes like. Okay, now tell me what. Just open your mouth. What this tastes like? So sweet or bitter? Bitter. Perfect. Now tell me what this tastes like. Okay, now tell me what this tastes like. So sweet or bitter? Bitter. Perfect. Okay, now tell me what this tastes like. What that tastes like. So sweet or bitter? Bitter. Perfect. Now tell me what this taste. What that tastes like. Sweet. Perfect. What that tastes like. So sweet or bitter? Sour. Perfect. Now tell me what this tastes like. What that tastes like. Sweet. Perfect. Okay, so you have passed the sense of taste. Now I'm gonna check your other senses also, the sense like how, what you feel like. I mean, I'm gonna spray something, I'm gonna make you feel something, and you have to tell me what you feel like. Okay, means I'm gonna spray some water and you have to tell me what that feel like. All right, so yeah, it's a little bit confusing, but I hope you got it what I'm saying. All right, so first is this. What this feels like water. Perfect. Okay, now just tell me, is it cool or warm? Okay, cool or warm. All right, now tell me what this feels like. So what that feels like. Warm. That's perfect. Then tell me what this feels like. Cool. All right, now just tell me, not warm or cool, but describe what that feels like to you. Okay, all right, here it goes. Just tell me what this sticky like a tape. Perfect. Okay, now tell me which point is near and which point is far. Okay, so this point is 1, this point is 2, and this point is 3. Which point is near? Which point is near? Perfect. This is point number E, this is point number F, this is point number C. Which point is far? Far. Okay, then this is E, this is B, and this is D. Which point is in the middle? Perfect. This is X, this is Y, this is T. Which point is here? Far. Okay, then tell me E, F, G. Which point is near? Perfect. Now tell me, but this, like this, just the screen. Okay, how many times? All right, how many times was that? Good. Okay, now tell me what this feel like. What this feel like. Okay, then Tell me what this feels like. Is it soft or the soft? Okay. What about this? Perfect. Okay, now tell me from which side you can hear the sound. Alright. Okay, and now okay, perfect. Now tell me how many times you hear this sound, okay? How many times is that? Perfect. I'm gonna whisper some words in your ears. You have to tell me then what I'm gonna whisper. What I'm whispering, okay? So the first word is pineapple, 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 pineapple. What was the first word? Pineapple. What was the second word? Cupcake. Perfect. Now tell me when I scratch or tap on this box, okay? Tapping, scratching, scratching, okay? Tapping, tapping again. Alright, tapping. And now scratching, and now tapping. Perfect, 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 perfect. Okay, now tell me what this feels like. What this feels like. Okay, what about this? And what about this? Alright, and tell me what this feels like. Warm. Perfect. Okay, so you passed your test. I hope you like this video. If you do, just like, comment, subscribe. Okay, and for now, thank you and bye bye. Good night. Sleep tight. Bye bye.